Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Why you should drink warm water during pregnancy in winters. Hi mommies, if you're pregnant, you might be bombarded with so many free advices like eat this, don't eat that, do this, don't do that, and you would have heard very often that drink plenty of water every day during pregnancy. Some people may also advise you to drink warm water, lukewarm water, or add this or add that in water. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you what to drink and how to drink. Staying hydrated is very, very important whether you're pregnant or in a non-pregnant state. Since in pregnancy you need more water, so drinking adequate water can help decrease headaches and non-labor contractions, which are called Braxton-Hicks contractions during pregnancy. So, expecting mothers are recommended to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day or about 2 to 3 liters of water depending on your weight. Drinking warm water is believed to be more beneficial than drinking normal water. Warm water can reduce fatigue, help build stamina and improve your resistance to infections. But avoid very hot water as it can burn the lining of your mouth and increase acidity in your stomach. Why you should drink warm water in pregnancy? Pregnant women need more water than an average person to support fetal circulation, formation of amniotic fluid and production of extra blood. Water is also essential to build new tissues, carry nutrients, enhance digestion and flush out waste and toxins. Hormonal imbalance during pregnancy can cause fatigue, lethargy and dehydration. And this in turn can cause headache, dizziness, nausea, blood pressure fluctuations, constipation and cramps. Dehydration during pregnancy can also lead to serious complications including neural tube defects, low amniotic fluid, inadequate breast milk production, UTI and even preterm labor and preterm birth. So it is important to stay hydrated during pregnancy. Staying adequately hydrated during pregnancy can prevent the above complications and boost your energy, keep your body cool and your skin soft. Benefits of drinking warm water. As I said earlier, it is better to drink slightly lukewarm water. Why? Number 1, it aids in digestion by clearing out toxins from your body. 2, it cleanses the digestive tract, allowing your body to better absorb nutrients which are then easily passed on to the baby. 3, dissolves fat and oil droplets. 4, it helps you stay hydrated and reduce symptoms of morning sickness. 5, combat constipation and it will help you have regular bowel movements. 6, keep certain conditions like throat infections, cough, cold and flu at bay during these winter months. Precautions you should take. While it is better to drink warm water, you should make sure that the water is boiled for a long enough time to kill the bacteria and germs and cool that. Always use filtered water to boil and not regular tap water. Avoid drinking water from places that you are unsure of. Instead, carry your own water. Drink enough water but at frequent intervals. When you drink too much of water too fast, it can put too much of pressure on your kidneys. So experts suggest drinking 1 cup of water for every hour that you are awake. If you don't enjoy drinking plain water, you can add a couple of slices of lemon or maybe some pieces of mint. One final word about the benefits of drinking warm water. According to Ayurveda, the body temperature and warm water are approximately of the same range. If you drink very cold water, your body has to put in extra efforts to bring that to the body temperature. When you're having your meals and you're drinking cold water, it actually reduces your digestive fire and the digestion is actually hampered. While having your meals, you should take only about 100 ml of warm water, not more than that. And after your meals, during your 2 meal intervals, that is the time when you have to keep drinking water. At least 1 glass or 1 big cup every hour is what I advise. So drink lots and lots of warm water this winter and stay happy, stay hydrated, and that way your skin will also glow. So keep smiling, keep drinking water, and be happy always. Thank you and namaste.